Okay, Unit 9, Lesson 4 is going to be a little project. You're going to have one to do that is similar to this, so I'm just going to walk you through this one. So we will be identifying the type of pattern and just answering questions about it, okay? So they give us 1 dot at the beginning, so that usually means like our time is 0. At 1, it's like in a 5 pattern. And then at 2 minutes, we've got this X pattern, okay? So describe the pattern of change that you see. Now, depending on your pattern, your words might be different. Well, what I noticed is we have a dot in the middle of all of them, and then I added 4, and then, so that's on the second one, and then they added 4 more. So I'm going to say that. So we're going to add 4 dots on each, oops, I'm going to call it an edge, because those are my words, okay? So you describe what you see. So now, assuming that the sequence continues in the same way, how many dots are there going to be at 3 minutes? So let's look. So here I've got 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so yeah, we are adding 4. So at 3 minutes, we should have, we're going to say dots. So add 4 more, we're going to have 13. At 4 minutes, we're going to add 4 more, so we'll get 17. And at 5 minutes, we should have 21 dots, okay? So they want us to make a table and a graph for the data. So you want to think of these as ordered pairs. So we had 0, 1, 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 13, 4, 17, and then 5, 21. Okay, so make a table. There we go. And then for my graph, we've got 0, 1, 1, 5, 2, 3, 13, 10, 11, 12. And it's okay, I'm just doing this freehand, so oops, I gotta go over a little bit more. That's not there. 4, 17, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then 5, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 8, 9, 20. All right. Okay. So this says write a recursive formula. So remember, recursive meant that we need 2 formulas. I need to state my first term. So my first term was 1. And then our pattern was to add 4. So remember your notation. My previous term, and then we add 4. Okay. And then we want to write an explicit formula. So our equation is arithmetic. So we've got a sub n equals a1 plus n minus 1d. If this was geometric, we would use our notes and use that formula. So I know that our first term was 1, n minus 1, and our difference was 4. So 1 plus 4n minus 4, so 4n minus 3. And there we go.